Good morning, my name is Koreth and I'm going to take you through a quick demo of Cloudline and its various features. Cloudline is a very simple to use video conferencing platform which is on the cloud. What you see on your screen is the user interface of Cloudline. There are many options on the top panel, on a panel on the right hand side and a panel on the left hand side. I will take you through some of these options very quickly. This button here is to turn on or turn off your camera. So you can simply switch that on and off. This is for your microphone on or off, and this is for your speakers. This button enables you to move the video conference into the full view mode. Which means that you can see what is being presented in much greater detail, especially useful when you are sharing Excel or other intricate files and applications. These two buttons allow you to change the mode in which you are seeing the various participants. So right now we are in the grid mode, and I can move into the active speaker mode. So in the grid mode, everyone is seen equally. In the active speaker mode, I need to actually click on the person that I want to see prominently and push the others to the smaller layout. So I can keep toggling between them and choosing whom I want to focus on. This button here is to share the screen. So I can simply click on that, and then I get the option to either share my entire screen or a specific application. So if I want to share an email, then I can just click on that and click share, or if I want to share my entire screen, then I can simply click on that and say share. So this button is very important for the video conference. This is the sign out button. Remember, when you finish the video conference, please sign out, otherwise the conference keeps going. On the right hand panel you have various options. The first option is the chat option. So in the chat option, I can either chat with everyone or I can chat with a specific person. So I can send a message to just the tech team, and or I can send a message to everyone, and that will be viewed by all. The next button is the button which allows you to see your video. So this enables me to view myself if I want, or I can just simply turn it off to get more space on my video conference screen. This is different from this button, which is actually turning on or turning off the video. This actually turns on or turns off the window in which I can see my video. So that's the difference. This button enables me to see all the attendees that are there on the video conference. The first attendee is myself, Koreth, and I'm the organizer and the moderator. So I have complete control over the other attendees. So I can actually ban them from the conference, I can put them on hold, I can turn on or turn off their audio, their video, and their chat. There is another button which is the settings button, which allows me to select the kind of camera, microphone or speakers I want, depending on the devices that are connected to my system. So if I have additional microphones connected or additional cameras connected, I can simply click on those and select those to be used rather than the default settings. On the left hand panel, we have various options to switch your view. So the regular view is the video view where I see all the participants of the video conference. The content view is the view which allows me to see the content that is being shared. The files view allows me to upload files. So I can upload a file and share that with all the participants in the video conference. The whiteboard is a tool which allows me to collaborate on a whiteboard just like I would in an office or some conference, physical conference. So I can have squigglies drawn, I can draw specific shapes, and I can even do text, and I can play around with the font. So, and at the same time, the other participants in the video conference will be able to use the same whiteboard and see exactly what I have been doing on my whiteboard. So it's a good collaboration tool. The poll button is something that allows me to add a poll. Remember, this can only be done by the organizer, so there is an option to choose different types of polls. You can do a rating poll or a multiple choice poll, and you can say, and simply add a choice and say yes, no, or maybe. And I save that, and everyone gets this particular poll, and then all the people can vote for it. And when everyone has voted, I can end the polling. And when I end the polling, I will get a result of all the people who have voted. So if in this conference there are 4 attendees, so I will get the result of all the 4 votes that have been done displayed over here. So that is a quick demo of Cloudline and the various features. In the next video, I will take you through the administrator module.